Every relationship has a story. Some begin with sparks, some with a strategy. But a very rare few, are built on trust that survives decades, conflicts, shifting powers, and changing world orders. Tonight we talk about one such story. A story that began in the embers of the Cold War, strengthened through military bonds, and today stands at the intersection of geopolitics, energy security, technology, and a world in transition. This is a story of India and Russia. Namaste and welcome to the Worldview through Bharat's lens. I'm Vanya, and here on the show we decode geopolitics not as spectators but as Bharat, a rising global power, a civilizational state, and a nation reshaping the very narrative of the 21st century. So let's dive straight into what the world is watching right now. On the 5th of December 2025, New Delhi witnessed something more than a diplomatic handshake. It witnessed the reaffirmation of a 25-year-old strategic partnership, a milestone that marks India and Russia's long, resilient relationship. Picture this: two leaders, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Vladimir Putin, meeting at a time when the world is divided, alliances are shifting, and geopolitical tensions are rising like a storm. Yet, in the middle of the storm, India and Russia speak of truth, respect, and convergence. The joint statement wasn't just a document, it was a message to the world's capital, from Washington to Beijing, from Brussels to Tokyo, that this partnership is not a transactional one, it is a transformational one. So, what did the summit cover? Trade and economy. Both sides push for the ambitious target of $100 billion trade by 2030, with a major focus on boosting India's exports. A free trade agreement with the Eurasian Economic Union is now on the fast track, and both countries are working on national currency settlements, a hint towards de-dollarization and financial independence. Energy security. From oil to LNG, from nuclear technology to underground coal gasification, energy emerged as a major pillar, and with India aiming for 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047, Russia remains a key partner. 3. Connectivity projects. Think of new corridors reshaping Eurasian trade: the International North-South Transport Corridor, the Chennai-Vladivostok Maritime Route, and even the Northern Sea Route through the Arctic. These are not just projects, these are India's entry points into the new geo-economic frontiers. Defense. Military ties are now being reimagined, from buying equipment to co-developing and co-producing advanced technologies under Make in India, science, technology, and space. Startups, critical minerals, cybersecurity, space cooperation, and even human space flight. This partnership is no longer just about tanks and oil, it is about the future. People-to-people ties. More cultural exchanges, festivals, easier visas, tourism growth, and educational cooperation. Because no partnership lasts 75 years without emotional glue. And if that wasn't enough, Russia once again reiterated strong support for India's permanent seat at the UN Security Council, a diplomatic endorsement that adds weight to India's global ambition. In international relations, countries don't have friends, they have interests. Yet some relationships evolve beyond interest. They become constants in a world full of variables. India and Russia's partnership is one such constant. But the question we must ask ourselves is this: as the world moves towards a contested multipolar order, can this partnership not only survive but shape the future of Eurasia, of energy security, of defense cooperation, and of global governance? And more importantly, what role will Bharat choose to play? A balancer, a bridge, or an architect of a new global order? I leave you with that thought tonight. This is Vanya and you're watching the Worldview through Bharat's lens. Until next time, stay curious, stay aware, and keep looking at the world through Bharat's lens.